everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're showing you how to fix or install curtains the right way. Whether you're hanging brand new panels or upgrading your space, it's easier than you think. What you'll need. Before we start, here's a quick list of what you'll need to fix your curtains properly. Curtain rod and brackets. Choose a rod that complements your curtains and supports their weight. Measuring tape and level. To ensure your rods are perfectly centered and straight. Screws and wall plugs. Make sure you've got the right size for your wall type. Drill or screwdriver. To secure brackets in place. Curtains or drapes. Of course, the star of the show. Measuring and marking. Now let's get your measurements right for that professional finish. Height. Mount your rod 4 to 6 inches above the window frame for extra height. Width. Extend 6 to 2 inches beyond the window on both sides, so curtains frame the window beautifully. Mark drill points. Use a pencil and level to mark even bracket positions. Installation and hanging. Now that everything's marked, it's time to install. Install brackets. Drill holes and secure the brackets with screws. Use wall plugs for drywall. Slide curtains onto rod. Use rings, eyelets, or back tabs depending on your curtain style. Mount the rod. Place it into the brackets and tighten the screws to hold it in place. Final adjustments. Once they're up, give your curtains a little finishing touch. Steam or iron. Remove wrinkles for a crisp, clean look. Style the folds. Even out the pleats or drapes for a neat appearance. Check the length. Curtains should just kiss the floor, or hover slightly above, depending on your style. And that's how you fix curtains like a pro. Let us know in the comments if you prefer ceiling high or window length curtains. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more home upgrade tips. See you next time.